Hey, what's up guys? You're watching Fast Filmmaking. Last time, we unboxed the red Komodo outrigger handle. As much fun as that was, today we're gonna unbox the red Komodo 6K. Alright, so here it is guys, the red Komodo 6K, still shrink wrapped, and if I'm being completely honest, I haven't even seen one of these in real life before. So I'm super psyched to take my first look at the camera that I'm gonna be using for the foreseeable future. Now, similarly with the red Komodo outrigger handle, we have that same kind of embossed design here. Like I said, luxurious unboxing experience. If I'm being completely honest, I'm expecting to open this box and have my mind blown. It's kind of tight. Well, that was kind of anticlimactic. All right, and we will lift the foam away. There it is. Wow. That is crazy. Okay. I think I'm gonna save it for last. But oh my gosh, man, it looks clean. That is crispy. Oh my gosh. That's taking my breath away, guys. I gotta be honest. All right, so we have this little side pouch here. I'm guessing what we'll find here is a power brick, and wow, this little Komodo card here. Get started. Register your Komodo. Download Komodo operation guide. Download red control. Shows the launch sequence. Dope. Nice little touch here. We have a red sticker. That is always a nice bonus. I love when companies include stickers. So this is our EF to RF adapter. It's nice they included this little Canon pouch here. Keep it safe. I'll probably keep it on the camera at all times. Right, so this cable's kind of tucked down in here. That is our power brick. It's a pretty lengthy power cable, which is nice. It's got that same red and Komodo skin design here on the power brick. Cool, nice attention to detail. All right, and there she is. Let's get it out of here, guys. It's really packed well. Wow. Okay. Wow. That is crazy. It's compact, but it's not heavy, but it's got some weight to it, which I really dig that. So there it is, the red digital cinema Komodo 6K. Something I'm noticing right now, which once this thing is fully kitted out, this won't necessarily be an issue, but the grip is a little bit taller than the Komodo itself. So if you don't have base plate down here, you're gonna run into some wonky sitting issues. Battery on here. It just kind of clicks into there. And I do have my media here, Pro Grade 512. All right, and so this will be the first official launch sequence of this red Komodo, and we'll power it up. It's nice that the Komodo emblem pops up, lets you know that the camera's starting up. And I'll throw a timer on here to show how long it takes to initialize, because I am curious. I saw some people saying that it takes and we're up. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this unboxing of the red Komodo 6K. If you're interested in a more in-depth review, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified when I post the next video on the red Komodo. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.